Welcome to Spanish Mnemonics. Today, we're going to look at ER verbs, looking at the endings for he or she. Let's start with the verb
comer,
he will eat. But in the future, there are only plus points, so no cutting off at the end of the verb, only adding
What do we add?
an acute A.
comerá, él comerá,
In the future, he will get an A+.
comerá, él comerá, beber,
He will drink. In the future, there are only plus points, so no cutting off at the end of the verb. Add an acute A.
beberá,
He will get an A+.
beberá, él beberá. Sorprender,
He will surprise. No cutting off at the end of the verb. Add an acute A.
sorprenderá,
In the future, he will get an A+.
sorprenderá, él sorprenderá.
Compare what you've just learnt with the yo endings in Lesson 1.
Yo comeré, él comerá. Yo beberé, él beberá. Yo sorprenderé, él sorprenderá.
That's it for now. Come back for more ER verbs soon. Do subscribe to my channel and hit a like if you've enjoyed this video.